All right, it's 2 o'clock, Friday afternoon. I'm ready to go camping. Ready? 2:54, classic camp timing, a little bit late, half hour. Gotta go get gas and drop off a rent check. And then we'll go. All right, made it to the campsite, and signs say no fires. Our first meal is tinfoil dinners cooked on a fire. So there is a day use area back of the lake back, so we're gonna back of the lake back, yes. There is a day use area back at the lake, so we're gonna drive back there, cook our dinner. But first, we gotta unload. Yep. Get our tent set up. Get the potty set up, because everybody needs to go pee.
I already went in the trees.
In the trees. Way to go.
I already went.
All right, we are on our way back to Pettit Lake. There's a day use area that allows fires in the designated areas there. Since the only other way we could cook our dinner is in a pot, we probably have to add water and make it a stew, which we could do if we have to, but we'll go back and make a fire in a designated area, cook our food, and then come back to our tent campsite. Keep the fun going. All right, made it to the day use area. Real pretty, a lake in the background. We'll just cook on that fire pit there. Levi's gonna climb some rock. Okay, so we've got our fire burned down. We've got coals now. That's what you're looking for, just a really nice bed of coals. Whew, that is hot. We made a huge tinfoil dinner tonight. Normally we do individuals. Decided to just make one giant one for the whole family. So,
Wait, so we're all just gonna share?
hoorah! And we'll set a timer for 20 minutes. Let that go, and we'll flip it at 20 minutes.
Set a timer for 20 minutes. Levi and Gus.
What you doing, Levi?
I'm trying to find a big stick.
Trying to do what?
A big stick.
Trying to find a big stick? Oh, nice. Hey, Gus. What you doing? Water? Yeah. All right, it has been 20 minutes on both sides, so we're gonna gently pull this out. We don't want to break the bag and lose all our juice. All right, dig down.
Those are hot. Those are hot. That's fun, yeah.
Here. Careful not to kick dirt on our dinner.
Please. Yeah, my jeans are drying.
Good.
I'm glad you're saying
Carrots are still a little crunchy.
Potatoes and
Potatoes are good.
with me. I don't like
Carrots are still crunchy.
with me.
all right, carrots are still crunchy. I'm gonna throw it back in. All right, another 10 minutes. Flipping action. Flipping amazing.
How is it not hot?
Oh, mom's real hot. Don't worry about that.
Come on, you still see it?
All the time.
That looks good.
Oh, steaming.
Corn
Baby.
How are the carrots?
Hot.
Carrots? The carrots? Carrots.
Still crunchy, but we're going with it.
All right,
Because it's getting really dark.
let's eat.
Oh, you did purple cabbage this time.
Good.
My cabbages. He doesn't have and all the juices.
All right, how's your food, Joseph?
Awesome.
You like the cabbage in it?
Yes, the cabbage is one of my favorite parts.
All right. Ariana? Good? Hey, Bo?
Amazing. Good.
Good. Looks like you're about ready for more. Ever that yours is good?
Mm-hmm. I need that light to stay on.
How's yours, Gus?
Is it good, Gus? Looks golden. How'd you feel?
Levi's having a hot dog over the fire.
Mom, get. Okay.
Are you ready, Levi?
Yeah.
To sleep?
Yeah. PJs.
What with?
Just keep looking at the TV.
That is so fun.
Just keep looking at your movie, buddy. He's just trying to take a picture, I think.
Too bad. That was a team. Not as
I love you. Oh, no, B.
Drink.
That guy kicked me in the face last night.
Oh, man.
This is what we do in the morning. This is what we do in the morning. Can we go eat breakfast now? Because everyone's awake.
Are you ready for cereal already? Not yet.
Did you get that on video?
I don't know. I didn't see what you did.
Oh, baby's looking at his face. Oh, just a little thing. Oh, you're such a... Ew!
Sorry.
I hope you must drink.
All right. You guys ready for breakfast?
Yay! Woo!
All right. You put those on the table.
Okay, I'll go. I'll just go last. YOLO! Alright.
Yeah.
I'm having more.
Marshmallows?
Did you get
Okay.
more?
Marsh-
Dang it.
Want some milk? Should we say a prayer?
Wait, no.
Hey guys, let's say a prayer on our breakfast real quick. Levi, do you want to say it? No? Ariana, do you want to say it?
Sure.
Mom, can you hear us?
Dear Heavenly Father, amen.
Amen. All right. Do you need some milk?
Wait, is this the yellow kind? Some milk.
Okay.
I want to do a food.
Wow.
Because I like to do a food. Daddy, could you get me?
Going with the Cheerios, huh? If only we had bananas.
Oh, yeah, we got to do that today. What?
There she is. She came running right away. What a good girl.
She's getting so good with recall.
Good girl, B. Yes, look at you. So good. So good.
Oh, Mommy, look, Mommy's out of bed. You want a We saved lots of
All right, so what was better? Your cereal or the chocolate muffin?
chocolate muffin. Cereal. Definitely cereal, then the chocolate muffin. Cereal, definitely. Definitely cereal.
Actually, the drink was the best part. Drink of water? All right.
That was hilarious. Everyone was like, muffins, and then I said cereal, and they're like, oh, cereal.
Is that how they said it? Cereal!
Yeah.
Lots of wood over here.
I can't get all of these sticks for fire, and I got a secret for you.
You got a secret for me? What?
It's this water here.
Is there water here? I think there is water down there. There's a little stream if we keep walking down that way. But we're going to do that all together. But first we need to pack up our tents and stuff. Right now, you're not even done with breakfast. You're not even dressed.
Are we going all the way up there?
If we want to, we can. Do you know last time we came camping here, we saw a deer walk over there, and then it walked all the way up the hill over there.
Oh yeah, that's why we camped here.
Yeah.
Daddy, look, I can balance. Daddy, get this on video. Ow, ow. Not that. Get this birdie on video.
Oh, big guy.
I made it for Ariana.
Here, you can tell everybody what it is.
It's a bird
Or you
on.
can hold this.
It's a bird on a stick. I found it and I made it for my sister Ariana. She's over there. Oh.
Careful.
Hello. Bye bye.
This is a good part of camping. All the kids are out playing, and we get to relax.
Train.
You hear the airplane? Yeah, the way up in the sky.
Train.
Little bird.
Train.
You got some bedhead there, buddy.
Sign of a good sleep.
Do you like camping? Hey, Gus Gus. Are you helping Daddy? Nice.
Hey, Daddy. Yeah? Is Gus helping you? Yeah?
Does your daddy love you?
Does Daddy love to tickle you? Does Daddy love to tickle you? Does Daddy love to tickle you? All right, Joseph said he found the little creek down here.
Yep.
He's gonna show us
There
where
are
to go.
plants that you have to walk through.
Plants you have to walk through?
Yeah. You'll get lots of spider webs in your face, though.
Okay.
What?
Well, you go in front then.
Yeah.
Good hiking.
Come here.
Hold you.
Come here.
All right. Do you want to say anything? Yeah? Okay, what do you want to say?
Water.
You want to go to the water? All right, say, let's go!
Go.
Oh, look at this. Water. How pretty this is.
Last time we found a stick right here. Is that we found it? Yeah, it's so clear.
Yeah. It's gorgeous.
Guys, look right here. How's the water feel?
do you think, Gus?
Wow.
Wow, is that pretty cool? Yeah.